Good morning. After a great night with Magical Trip last night, I am off on a mission to give you guys an encore of the 5 great food experiences here in Tokyo. I'm gonna give you 5 more. And that all starts out early in the morning here. It's just after 7 a.m. and I'm on my way to go line up in order to get a ticket for a ramen lunch, one of the only Michelin Star ramens in the world. Let's go. Did you know Tokyo, Japan is home to the most Michelin starred restaurants of any city in the world? And in 2015, a small, affordable noodle spot called Tsuta became the first Michelin star ramen restaurant. So I wanted to come see what all the hype was about. Alright, I just got off at Tsugamo station and now I am walking the back streets over here to try to find this place. I think I got off on the right exit. I think I went out the right door. I'm nervous. I'm excited. The reason I'm here so early is to get a ticket that reserves me a seat for lunch. There are only 9 seats in the restaurant, so you have to come as early as 8 a.m. to be sure you'll have a place in one of the time slots between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Alright, I'm definitely in the right place and I'm the first one here. Let's see what time it is. It is 7:55 a.m. and there's a big white sign here on the board giving you all the instructions about the ticketing. There's also a menu right here. So I am definitely in the right place. I'm hoping that they're still doing this ticketing system or that it's still operational today. I don't know. I'm the first one here. So I'm just gonna wait. And see what happens for a few minutes. It is a quiet little neighborhood well away from Shibuya. Once you're invited in, you make it a positive 1,000 yen in exchange for a ticket. And then you can leave and come back at your reserved time. Okay, thank you. Got it. 12 o'clock. I was the first one in there. He asked what time I wanted to go. I got nervous. I said 12 o'clock. But I have the golden ticket, a blue ticket, but it's a golden ticket to ramen. In the meantime, let's go to another spot. As I wait for my world-renowned ramen to be ready, I'm gonna take you to the second experience, and that is a little something different. I wanna show you guys a wide range of experiences, of food choices here in Tokyo, and one of them I'm very curious about, and that is an American classic, Denny's. And you're probably thinking, why would you do that? There's so many great places to eat here in Tokyo, so many great food options. But to be honest, I'm curious. I wanna see the difference. I've been told that the Japanese breakfast here at Denny's is a lot different than that of the US breakfast. So I'm gonna go in, check it out, show you guys what I find. Let's go. Denny's, a Japanese institution. Okay, maybe not quite, but it has been here since 1973. With over 40 years of service and 13 locations in central Tokyo alone, it is a frequent stop for many, especially the late night crowd. Strawberry season. I'm gonna do number 1. Alright, I went with the original set. It's very quiet in here. I went with the original set and then some add-ons. I got lox, salmon. I'm not sure what's under there. Pancake set, just for the American charm. And then I got this whole spread. Alright, I have rice. It looks like a pancake, some bacon, some extra sausage, daikon. Here is some soup, and a little pancake set. Natto. This is fermented soybeans. I've tried this once before. My feeling is the same. That is an acquired taste. course, carrots, onions in there. Very simple omelet. That's good. Mashed potatoes, a little salad. Just black salad. I think it's seaweed. I believe that's a seaweed salad. Let's try It's a salmon with the same mashed potato, the same thing that's here, and it's the same potato salad underneath this lox. Very interesting. Alright, now let's try the pancake. Light, fluffy, a little bit more dense and a little bit sweeter, a little bit more vanilla than a regular pancake in the States. I'll taste at home. It's delicious. Tell you what, this is not your uncle's Denny's that he's used to. It's a whole new world. It's delicious. And this, I just thought was a little napkin. Seaweed. To be honest with you, I think there's probably a way you combine all this together. I honestly don't know. So, if you guys know the correct way to be eating this, leave me a comment in the description of this video. I'm not sure. I'm just kind of eating everything. Maybe do this. No, that can't be right. No. Alright, such an interesting experience. That was really different and at the same time very similar to home. They have all the things that you could want from an American style, and that is eggs, an interpretation of bacon, sausages, pancakes. But the more popular dishes here obviously are more Japanese style breakfasts, and those are the sets like I had. So there's rice, miso soup, natto, which is the fermented soybeans. You can also get a salmon set. So those are more popular, but it's really interesting to see the dynamic is the same. The other guy's sitting at the counter. There's one waiter running around. You pay at the counter. Yeah, really cool experience. Hope you guys like it. But now I have a little bit of time to kill. I'm gonna walk through Ueno Park, and then I'm gonna head out to stop number 1 or number 2, whatever it may be, and that is the ramen. Should be open very soon. Opens at noon. All right, I'm back. Just got off the Sugamo station, and it is time. It's about 11:45. I'm gonna get over there just a few minutes early because I'm so excited and wait in line, and I'm hopefully one of the first ones. Here we go. All right, back at Tsuta, I anxiously wait in line until I'm greeted by the host. He returns my deposit and invites me inside to place my order at the machine. I go with the most expensive item on the menu, a $17 bowl of soy-based ramen with all the trimmings. I give him my printed receipt, he gives me a seat number, and then it's back in line until it's my turn. And at 12:25 p.m., my wait is over. Two men behind the counter move together methodically like two interpretive dance partners. And it all starts with a base. A broth made from the stock of acai clams and chicken, combined with a soy sauce sourced from the Wakayama prefecture. Homemade soba noodles from 4 different Japanese flours are added next. Bamboo shoots, pork seasoned with rosemary and red wine, a soft-boiled egg, scallions, Italian truffle pureed in truffle oil, 2 large mouth-watering wontons, and topped with a sheet of seaweed. This looks delicious. I don't know what just happened. I think I just blacked out for like 25 minutes. That was the best bowl of ramen I've ever had in my life, and I'm not just saying that because of the awards and the Michelin Star and all that. I went with the soy and the black truffle, the soba noodles. There's wheat made with 4 different types of wheat. It was just incredible. The best soft boiled egg I've ever had, thin slices of pork. That was truly an incredible food experience. That was so delicious. If you have the chance, I highly recommend it. It's worth getting up for, worth waiting in line for. That was awesome. I hope you guys liked this part 1 of 5 more Japanese food experiences here in Tokyo. Be sure to stay tuned next week as I visit a monster cafe, obsess over traditional tonkatsu, and join a few local friends for yakiniku. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notifications button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next Friday.